Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Busycal, Calendar and Task Manager app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Busycal is a powerful calendar and productivity app designed to give users more control over their schedules, tasks, and reminders. Available on both iOS and macOS, it combines advanced calendar features with to-do management in one place. Users can sync Busycal with iCloud, Google, and other calendar services to keep all events up to date across devices. Its standout features include customizable views, day, week, month, year, or list, integrated task tracking, weather forecasts, travel time estimates, and natural language event creation. You can type, "Meeting with John at 3 p.m. tomorrow," and it adds automatically. The app's main highlight is customization. Users can color-code events, add icons, adjust time zones, and even attach files or URLs to specific calendar entries. It also supports recurring events, alarms, and flexible reminders that sync across your Apple ecosystem. In addition, its powerful search and filtering tools make it easier to manage packed schedules, especially for professionals or students handling multiple tasks daily. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Busycal for its reliability, offline access, and detailed layout options. Its integration with reminders and contacts makes it an all-in-one productivity hub. Users also appreciate its menu bar mini calendar and quick event editing tools. However, there are a few drawbacks. The interface can feel complex for beginners, and unlike free calendar apps, Busycal is a paid app with a one-time cost. Some users also report occasional sync delays when linking multiple accounts. In summary, the Busycal app may be worth using if you want an advanced, customizable calendar that combines tasks, reminders, and scheduling into one seamless platform. However, if you prefer something simpler or free, the native Apple Calendar or Google Calendar might suit you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.